I hope you saw my earlier video on how to dice an onion. I want to show you quickly how to julienne an onion. So I've got my root end and my stem end. I'm going to cut the root off for this. Set that aside. And I'm just going to make slits this way. My knife is always against my middle knuckle. That prevents me from cutting my fingers. As it gets to the end, it gets a little bit floppy, so they just turn this over. Same thing, my knife is up against my knuckle. You're going to hear me say that a lot because that's how you use your knife. And that's how you julienne an onion. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm Jill.